How to see your Facebook password. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now head over to the section Account Center. Click on the option Password and Security. Click on the option Change Password. Click on a Facebook username. You'll be directed to this page from where you are able to change your password. Within Facebook, there is no such option to see your password. Instead, what you can do is you can click on the option of Forget Your Password and reset it. Likewise, other way is close this. Launch your Passwords app. This is the default app in your iPhone device. Now clicking on the option of all, you're gonna find different website along with the password that you have saved. In this list, you might find the option of Facebook as well. Click on it and you will get access to your Facebook password. Likewise, if you have used the browser such as Chrome, you're gonna get your password. Launch your Chrome browser. Click on three dots given at the bottom right. Click on the option Password Manager. Your Face ID will be enabled, and with that, you're gonna find the list of the website that you have saved the password for. In this list, you might find the Facebook as well. So these are the ways to see your Facebook password. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.